Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So in this video we are going to talk about gouache and paint a Ghibli landscape together. So let's get started. Gouache is a water medium paint consisting of natural pigment. It is designed to be opaque, comes in many colors and are usually mixed with water to achieve the desired working properties. We'll start by using blue and white and try to create a gradient. I painted the top part darker, and as we move downward, I'll be adding more white to it. Then we'll add pink and yellow and blend them all together. To paint the clouds, we need to see where the shadows are at and where the light is falling on the cloud. It's actually a very slow process and you just need to be very patient with it. For the bushes and trees, I've mixed black, brown and sap green. Add the first layer on the paper and then use lighter shades to highlight few parts of the bushes and trees. Pretty easy. You just have to see where the light is coming from and highlight it by using lighter shades. Now I'm using this green greyish color for the pathway. Keep in mind to start with lighter tone as it is always easy to go back and add more depth, more shadows, more details later on. So that's why I feel most comfortable using gouache to paint my landscapes. We will paint the tree by using green-black color and highlight a few parts of it, very similar to what we did to the bushes. Now we are adding the final touches to the painting. And yeah, we are almost done. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Wish to see you here again. Goodbye.